guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe button. Oh my god. the cops are calling each other idiots. That's actually really funny. You guys, this is my first time playing Liberty County episode. But I have, well, it isn't my first time. I'm lying. I'm lying. You're meant to be coming. Okay guys, just smash that like button and also subscribe to my main account, Truffle801. What should I do, Dad? So you subscribe to who?
Truffle801.
Yeah, good. Thanks guys. Now guys, I'm not sure what we should do today. So as I go to menu, wait, tell you what, let's spawn a car and let's see if we speed, let's see if the cops will mess with us or see if they're having a bad day or a good day first. Let's go this one. You might be like, this is the worst car of the game, but I don't care, okay? I don't care. At least I got a car. Oh my god, it's so loud. I'm not sure if you can actually hear it. Actually, I'm gonna have to take it down. I don't know if you can hear it. Wait, does this how good driver? This is loud driving. Bet driving in this in real life. Oh my god. It looks like cops aren't having a good day. Oh shoot, there. Watch this, let me mess with this car. But yeah, so we can try and hack an ATM. The thing is, there's a cost to be able to. Let's try and block this cop in. Come on, cop. Come over here. Ah, cop, cop. Come here, cop. Ah, nothing being this is good. Whatever. We're gonna be. Yeah. I don't care what number. 8 now. There. Good number. Guys, hope you like my marshmallow outfit. I did have a paramedic outfit, which is pretty funny. And I knew I shouldn't have it in this thing because you guys would have gone like, hey, why are you putting what? But you guys know what I want to do now. Come on, guys. Come on. Wait, gear? Got any gear? Oh, hi, battery. What's this, you guys? Okay, I don't need. Just get this because we don't play sheriff lot. There, have a uniform. Imagine if you weren't allowed to use. Imagine you can't glitch so much. Here you go, guys. Oh, flip. Flip. When did I say? At least I got $1,000, you guys. $1,000, dude. What car should go? The worst car in the whole game. It's the free car! Yeah, I love free. Good. Then it goes silent. Monster. Oh. Right, we need to go to the fire. To guide traffic and everything, so let's see if we can go to the garage. If I can find my way there. Let me just check my lights working. So guys, let's have a look at my lights. Oh, here. Here. Yeah, see? What's the problem, sir? Yeah, put cones down. Well, I'll use my vehicle as a blocker. Right then, get the cones. Whose fault was this, or was it just one of those guys? I'm not sure it was. But I'm not really bothered. Well, I am, because I want to get the money. And you guys, I am going on holiday soon. I'm very excited. So, I try and do some videos on holiday. Right, put that there so people can't find a way. Wait, I've got one for the police, because I really need to go for the police calls. Wait. Okay, Nah. Okay, what let me call? I've got my radio chat. Let me check how many cops and stuff are here. Okay, there's one fire. No? Wait, is there a thing here? See guys, I can't go code 3. Right. Yeah. Let's see if this guy will take any notice if I just follow now. I just collapsed. But he ever did. He used to stand there to do with the fire. Hey dude, I collapsed, dude. I'm gonna help me, dude. Oh, I'm gonna lie. Wait a second. I'm gonna be